Before Earth was born, dust particles in space collided with each other, forming larger and larger bodies. Earth's embryo was formed by collisions between these small fractions of planets, while the human embryo is formed when one single fertilized cell undergoes rapid cell divisions. Humans take 9 months to be born, while Earth was born after millions of years of gaining mass. Earth was finally born 4.54 billion years ago, when it can be called a planet. Just like humans needed to develop a large brain to have cognitive skills, Earth needed to be big enough to have substantial gravity. After becoming a planet, the newborn Earth continued to suffer collisions. Scientists agree that in this stage there was one special giant collision between Earth and another planet about the size of Mars, which formed the Moon. Of course, the newborn Earth did not look like what we know now. At this time, Earth looked more like a spherical soup of lava and liquid rock. These magma oceans enabled the heaviest elements such as iron and nickel to sink to form the core, while other lighter elements like silicon and oxygen rose to form the mantle and crust. Like humans have transitioned from a young body to adulthood, the cooling Earth transitioned into a segregated Earth with layers. But there's something special about the Earth's core. Around 1 billion years ago, the core differentiated into 2 layers, a solid inner core and a liquid outer core. Yes, there's a liquid very deep inside the Earth, about as runny as water. This iron-rich liquid is always moving because lighter elements coming from the growing inner core start to boil and produce convection. Earth's rotation will also play an important role for core dynamics. But most intriguingly, the circulation of this liquid metal produces electromagnetic currents, making Earth look like a giant bar magnet. Just like our heart pumps blood throughout our bodies, the core pumps heat to outside Earth. The core's so-called veins are influenced by what is happening at the surface. At this time, Earth's surface was still bombarded by asteroids, which maybe carried an important source of water. Earth was constantly cooling down over the course of a few 100 million years, and at this point, the crust started to break into parts. Volcanoes released huge amounts of water vapor and carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. These gases trapped the sun's heat and produced the first condition for life on Earth. The Earth is beginning to resemble the Earth that we know today. Let's imagine the next phase, because Earth's metamorphosis never stopped throughout geological time. The oceans and continents changed configuration many times due to plate tectonics, volcanoes, and climate conditions. In the oceans, primitive bacteria evolved and life started to develop. Episodes of mass extinctions caused by glacial periods, volcanic activities, and asteroid impacts challenged life's ability to survive. But life insisted to start again, in new forms. Not so long ago, a new species evolved. Homo sapiens, from the Latin, wise man. What makes humans different from other species are the bipedalism and their large and complex brains. The complex brain made humans intelligent, with special abilities like thinking, building up knowledge, imagining, reasoning, creating. Humans have a fundamental need to interact with each other, share experiences, and build complex knowledge, like in science. Humans also learn and enjoy interacting with Earth's nature. The connection of humans produced a wide range of cultures, laws, technologies, and resources. Like Earth, society is always evolving. Earth would never be the same again. Human beings ended up disrespecting each other and Earth. But all is not lost, since human beings are equally capable of compassion, love, and altruism. Part of society surely has an infinite wish to transform these destructive interactions of humans and Earth to a sustainable way of life, where humans and the Earth can interact harmoniously. If each of us take a small step, it will indeed be a huge step for mankind. Have you thought about which small step you can take in your house or small community? How do you want our future generations to see and learn from us? Shall we join and transform Earth-human connections together?